Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Yesterday, crude market opened around 4,750. So you can see this black color box and the double dotted vertical lines that indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. And yesterday's price opening is more or less equal to the previous day's price closing, which is also around the same zone. And what we witnessed on the previous day is that previous day we had a very long and very strong uptrend in crude market, and also on the previous day also we expected the market to stay higher. So what happened after this long bull run and after the market testing 4,800, you can see a long consolidation at the end of the trading session. So since the price opening and closing is more or less equal, we can expect the market to continue the previous day's price action. It is more or less going to be a continuation of the previous day. So after the price opening here, the market went up and tested the resistance. You can see these are the resistance the market has created on the previous day, but we have marked this 4,760, which can act as a potential intermediate support or resistance. Why we have marked this 4,760? You can go back to the charts, histories of chart, and you can see how important this 4,760 was. So it acted as a major resistance when the crude market was staying lower for more than 4 or 5 weeks. So after the price opening, the market went above this 4,760 and it took the resistance where it took down the previous day session, and it came down and took the support here. So you can see very well the market is taking some support at 4,760 and it couldn't sustain above that, and again it came down and took some support around 4,740. So and again it entered into the 4,760 zone. So it is a very long consolidation zone yesterday, just because yesterday is a holiday in US market, so we expected and we have informed you earlier. So only we had an electronic trading session in IMAX, so the price actions will be much more low yesterday. So that is the reason the market is consolidating. But the good news is that the crude is taking some strong support around the 4,760. You can see that here it has taken a support, here it is taking a support, and also again it's trying to stay completely above in the later session it stayed completely above the 4,760. So this 4,760 provided a very good support for crude market, and finally it closed around 4,775. This is the zone where the market closed yesterday. When we compare the yesterday's price closing 4,775 with the price opening, even in a low volatile market, we can say that it is a higher closing. So the market just went up and closed higher. So what we can expect today is that there is no difference in our opinion. Today also we expect a crude to continue its buying, but the only difference is that we have got a lot of news flashing into the market for today. So we are posting our news alerts also. So you can see the news alerts by what time the news is coming, and you can be ready for that. And also the most important thing is that in crude oil we have crude oil inventory report, which is going to come around 8:30 p.m. Please make a note, it is around 8:30 p.m. It is not around 8 p.m. since it is a holiday in US. Only today we are going to get crude report. So there is no difference in our strategy. We are going to buy till 4,620. So till this zone the market will stay in buying. So till this zone you can go for an average. And also one more important thing is that whenever you are going for an average, try to book profit for the average lots at regular time interval. That will help you to protect your profit and minimize your loss. It can help you to maximize your profit and minimize your loss. So till this zone you can expect crude to continue its buying. Only a price closing below 4,620 can indicate that the price can come down. Until then, the crude is expected to stay higher. It has got all the potential to move higher, and the target zones, as you have mentioned, 4,800 is the first zone which acted as a resistance 2 days before, 4,820 and 4,860. These are the target zones. So today we are expecting crude to continue its buying momentum and apply all your money management technique properly. So whenever the price is in line with the trend, applying a proper money management technique always helps us in making a good profit. And also most important thing is even if the price turn down, it will help us to minimize our loss. So let us see what's going to happen during a trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.